Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about Strikingly. So Strikingly is a website builder and hosting platform that aims to simplify the process of creating stunning and functional websites. So Strikingly is user-friendly and efficient tools for individual and small businesses looking to establish an online presence without extensive technical knowledge. So how to start? You put your first name, your email, and you create a password. Now click on get started. This email, what? Has been the name or the email? Email has already. I think they mean the name, because I don't remember having an account on this website. Okay, my email is already taken. Let's choose another one. Okay, now, okay, it seems weird. How? Oh, let's forget about it. So one of the standout features of Strikingly is its ease of use. The platform offers a simple drag and drop editor, allowing users to easily customize their website's layout, colors, fonts, and images. The intuitive interface makes it accessible to users of any skill level, from beginners to more experienced individuals. So how to start? You pick a template for your website. So where did I saw this woman? Is she an actress or something like this? So fast you pick up a template. Okay, it's hard to choose. Especially if you don't have an idea of what are you doing, what are you creating, what type of website. So hello, how may I help you? For now, nothing, but even glad you can help. So let's choose this. Start editing. So Strikingly also provides a range of personally designed templates that can be easily customized to match your branding or personal style. The templates are modern, visual appealing, and responsive, ensuring that your website looks great on both desktop and mobile devices. This is crucial in today's mobile-centric world. And like I said, it's drag and drop business. You can pick. Oh, this is in German? No. Yes, here. Text isn't even a text. Read this. Lorem ipsum dolor sit amet. Consecruton a discipline elite. Okay, I'm about to summon something weird. So, this is your website. You can edit styles, colors here. If you edit it here, click on done, and this changed. 1, 2, 3. So you can change fonts of anything. Let's say the title and choose Arial. Now it's bigger. So let's go back. We have the audience, the promotion, the analytics, and the settings. So you can link your account to a domain, and to get a free domain, you will need to upgrade. To upgrade, you will need the plan to subscribe with. The subscription need you to pay, so nothing is free. Let's go. The limited is $8 per month. Just starting with a custom domain, you get a free trial, 2 limited sites and limited free sites. Connect custom domain. So it's like you are buying a domain for $8 and for little more features. So here we have the Pro and the VIP free plan forever. Okay, I'm going with the free plan. I will pay $0. We have the audience plan, the domain, the custom email. So this is yearly. That's why you save money. But the monthly will be more. $12, $20, $59. But for 5 years, you will pay less. And the price is going down the more you stay with the website. So let's continue. Here we have your basic info, the site title, the language. Here we have payments. You can set up payments methods. Here we have email notification. You can set up, enable or disable mobile actions. You will need to edit the mobile version sooner or later. Another notable aspect of Strikingly is its focus on single-page websites. While some may prefer multi-pages websites for more extensive content, the Strikingly single pages approach can be advantageous for businesses or individuals who want a concise and straightforward online presence. The platform offers various sections and as the process sorry such as about services, portfolio and contacts, which can be easily added or modified to suit your needs. And here we have the header, the footer, multi-pages, and we have customization mode, multi-language mode, only for pro service. We have Facebook pixels and others for the upgrade. Cannot do this with free plan. So here to edit the website, you can put anything. You can add images here, add text. You can add subtitles here. Click on back to review and the text will be here forever, anything you write. Additionally, Strikingly offers built-in e-commerce functionality, allowing users to set up an online store and sell products directly from the website. This is available features for small businesses or individuals looking to monetize their website or showcase their products. However, it's worth noting that Strikingly may have limitation for more complex or advanced website requirements. While it offers a good range of customization options, users looking for extensive custom coding or complex integration may find the platform somehow limiting. But in terms of pricing, Strikingly provides both free and paid plans, making it accessible to users with different budget constraints. The free plan offers basic features and it's suitable for personal websites and individuals looking for experiments. The paid plan unlocks additional features such as custom domain, advantage analytics, and more e-commerce capabilities. So after you're done with the website, you can click on publish. You can upgrade, but you can just publish. So the free website will be named, sorry, Madarat dot can contain only lowercase. Sorry, it's a bad habit. So you click on next. This is already taken. So let's do the plan B. And it's always working. Madagascar site, and this is the website. You can share it on Facebook. You can view your website here. So, yeah. I don't think it should take a long time to respond, but no, I don't think it's their fault. So this is how your website will look. I didn't edit anything. So the created with Singly will also appear here every day, every time you open the website, unless you upgrade. And this is how to create a website using Stringly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.